What if just a few simple changes each season could completely transform your yard and even increase your home's value? Most homeowners only think about landscaping in the spring. That's a huge mistake. Spring is all about fresh starts. Prune damaged branches, fertilize your lawn, and edge your garden beds. Plant colorful flowers like tulips, daffodils, and pansies. Add fresh mulch to lock in moisture and instantly boost curb appeal. When summer arrives, water deeply, but less often. Early morning is the best time. Trim hedges regularly and remove weeds before they spread. And add drought-tolerant plants to reduce maintenance while keeping your yard vibrant. In autumn, don't ignore those falling leaves. Compost them or use them as natural mulch. Overseed your lawn and aerate compacted soil. And plant spring bulbs now for an incredible explosion of color next year. Then comes winter, the season most people forget. Protect delicate plants with mulch, wrap young trees, and prune only when appropriate. Clean and sharpen your gardening tools. Winter is also the perfect time to plan next year's landscape upgrades while everything is dormant. Here's one professional secret. Every season should have something blooming, colorful, or visually interesting. Mix evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, flowering plants, decorative stones, and landscape lighting to create a yard that looks stunning 365 days a year. The best landscapes aren't built in a weekend. They're improved one season at a time. Which season is your yard struggling with the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, follow, and share for more landscaping ideas that make every home stand out.